Hi, Cameron.
You want to walk? There you go. Yay! Oh. We crashed. Oh. See what you want to do now. She's too tired. Oh. There you go. Yay! Yeah! Do you want to stand up? Do you want to stand up? No, can't do it. It's too much. It's too much. Daddy will help. Come on. Come on. Can you talk? Is that mommy?
Can you say hi? Are you standing?
Whoa, that was a lot of standing for you, huh? Oopsie. All right. Can you say hello? You say hi. Hi.
Hi.